Video of Tyler. Tyler, what do you want to say to Appa? Do you want to tell Appa, I miss you?
I miss you.
I love you, Appa.
I love you, Appa.
You want to sing Appa a song?
Yeah.
Son. You want to sing, what do you want to sing for Appa?
Ty and Bobo. Sing Ty and Bobo's Wonderland.
Okay, why don't you sing Ty and Bobo then?
Sing Ty. I look at Wonderland.
Yeah, Taeyang. Taeyang.
So, can my poopy down right here?
We have to go get a diaper first.
Don't get the diaper here.
But how's Mama gonna take a video and go get the diaper?
I'm gonna go get the diaper.
Can you reach? I think you're too small still. Okay, you go try.
I'm big now.
Are you big now? How old are you?
I'm 5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
How old's Appa?
Plus 2.
Appa's 2?
Yeah.
You're bigger than Appa?
I'm 5.
How old's Mama?
2.
Mama's also 2?
2.
Oh.
I want to Wonderland.
You like Letterlands?
Ask the mama.
Okay, come up.